guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I haven't done a long video in some time. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest chocolate lava cake. Normally you would have to make two batters, one for the lava filling and one for the cake, but with this recipe you only need to make one batter. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and check out other videos from this channel. So you need dark chocolate, and this is 60% cacao, which is bittersweet. And also the serving suggestion is what we're gonna make. So now just chop it into chunks. I'm gonna be making half of the recipe, but the full recipe will be down in the description box below. Once your water is simmering, place your bowl on top and let it slowly melt. You want to stir and melt it and put it to the side to cool down. In a bowl, beat your eggs and sugar together. By now, your chocolate mixture should have cooled down or at least be warm. Add that into your egg and sugar, then mix it together. Add in your flour and baking powder and continue to mix. Make sure to sift both your flour and baking powder. Please like and share this video if you're enjoying it. Grease your ramekins and divide your batter. Now both of these are ready, so you need to put them in the freezer for 10 minutes or until you want to bake them. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 210 Celsius. Bake for 10 minutes. This is probably a bit full, but I'll just wait for it to cool down. Now you want to use something like a palette knife to release it from the edges. Mine was a bit too much, so it goes over a bit. So flip it over and take it off. Now dust the top with icing sugar. What we've all been waiting for. I just wanted to add that, as you can see, the center didn't flow out as much, but that's because the cake kind of cooled down. So if you want it to be more liquid and flow out better, then you should cut it when it's still hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so fun to make, and again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye!